Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a city in the United Kingdom, having a population of about 1.1 million people. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Birmingham, Birmingham, Bar, Min, Gum, Birmingham. Birmingham is a major cultural and economic hub, known for its diverse population and vibrant art scene. The city boasts numerous attractions, including the Birmingham Museum and Art Gallery, and the extensive canal network. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Birmingham, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.